We've got a beautiful start to the afternoon. A few clouds starting to build in the mountains, but otherwise you've got sunshine and it's gorgeous. 76 right now in Denver. We'll be in the low 80s here by about 12 to 1, and then some upper 80s by 3. So temperatures a little closer to normal, back to, it looks like, right around 90 over the next few days. We are going to see a chance, though, for a few storms each afternoon this week. One of the biggest concerns this time of year is when we get a few pockets of heavier rain. We get a lot of moisture out there. The atmosphere is, in a word, a little juicy, and so we can see some areas where we get localized flooding. Pretty warm, though, all week. We're still going to see some upper 80s to low 90s. Nothing building quite yet. Loveland ski area, nice and quiet. This is going to be a little bit later in the day. On some of those typical spring severe storms that we see, the skies would already be really dark by right now, but we're expecting it to be a little bit later. So late afternoon, early evening. Pretty shot there from City Park. You can see a little bit of that haze, though, and we are under an ozone action day alert until at least 4 o'clock this afternoon. So some unhealthy levels of ground level ozone. So for those with respiratory issues, stay indoors if you can and try to limit any driving, mowing the lawn in the heat of day, because there's quite a few counties, unfortunately, under this ozone action day alert. We are now in the 70s. Take a look at Futurecast, and we'll pause it in a few special spots right about 3 o'clock. A few storms starting to pop up near Evergreen, Estes Park. You'll start to see a few more clouds by that point. Upper 80s for highs between about 3 and 5. Then likely drive time right around 5 to 6 is when we'll see a few more of those roll east, and we could see a severe thunderstorm warning or two pop up, but the risk of the large hail and the damaging winds that would put that under the severe thunderstorm warning criteria, that's pretty low. By 9 o'clock, we still have a few out near Lyman, out to the east, with our temperatures at that point in the 70s. So mid to upper 70s by about 9 o'clock, and then early tomorrow morning, 60s. We'll do it again tomorrow. Very typical that the forecast will stay this way for the next few days. Upper 80s to low 90s, though, for highs tomorrow afternoon, so it is going to be a little warmer on Wednesday. With tomorrow's late day thunderstorms, again, the risk of severe weather is low, but we could see some localized flooding with some of those slower moving storms. That's where we've got a chance for some, it looks like, general thunderstorms, the rain, the lightning, and obviously we talked about the danger of the lightning. 80s today, 90s tomorrow, and then some upper 80s to low 90s pretty much every afternoon through the end of the week. Saturday and Sunday look pretty warm. We'll see some low to mid 90s. So at least we've got some nice warm weather, you guys, for the kids that are, well, heading back to school. Countdown's on now. What, 2-3 weeks for some of these kids?